I'm Tulsa World meteorologist Kirsten Lang, and this is your Weather Wednesday. And today we are talking about microbursts. Now, you may have heard the term before, a lot of times in aviation, because pilots are looking for microbursts potentially within thunderstorms. It can be very hazardous to pilots because very strong winds can occur within a thunderstorm. That's basically what happens with microbursts. So we've talked about thunderstorm development before. You have an updraft that occurs. If it's a very strong updraft, it can actually contain a lot of rainfall that just kind of levitates within the storm. Now, there are times where it may hit pockets of drier air and then evaporative cooling occurs. Now, evaporative cooling is essentially what it sounds like. The dry air hits the mass amounts of rainfall within the thunderstorm, causes it to evaporate, it starts to cool, and then at that point the updraft starts to weaken. So the cool air and the rain falls, it accelerates as it makes its way towards the ground. Of course, needs someplace to go then as it hits the ground, so then it's forced outward, and a lot of times it can be a very strong wind, and that's what is a microburst. These winds can get up to 150 miles per hour or higher in a very small area, up to 2 miles.